Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing good. So, last week what we did, ID children? We did something using the floor dove. So, this week also we'll do the same thing, but this time we'll not do the cutting work, we'll do the coil work. So, what you'll do, I will show you one example how I did the thing. See, are you able to see now? I did it with this floor dove only. So how you will do? First of all, you need one paper. You can take a thick paper or cardboard is there in your home. You can use that cardboard. Draw any design, but I will prefer the floral design. So draw the floral design, then take the pata and on it take little the and just roll it. Roll it like this. So you'll get this type of coil. So on the drawing, wherever the lines are there, you apply the glue on the lines, then stick on that line this clay. Okay, like this. And one more thing, wherever so many lines will come and the joint is visible, see something is left here, is visible. So wherever the joints will come, you can use any leaf shape and stick on it, so it will get height. The joint part will get height. Here so many lines was there, so many joints was there, so I use this leaf to hide this joints. So draw your own design, own floral design, and use this use this clay. You're able to see now. Use this coil and decorate your work. This week, this is your task. Complete this task and send me the picture on my WhatsApp. Okay, chalo, bye. Take care and stay at home.